Hello everyone, welcome back. This is week number 3. We're opening the hive to check the queen and make sure the hive is doing okay. So we start with a little smoke. I think they're doing well so far. Give them a little bit more smoke. So I'm checking to see if they're making enough honey and if I could put the supers on. Plus I'm gonna check their food supply inside if they need to get a little top up. And I'm gonna see if I could try to locate the queen today. So everything looking fine. Worker bees are busy working. So this one we put in last week, so I didn't expect anything to be. So this frame is clean. So you always want to check the hive on the time of the day when not much bees are home. I think a lot of the workers are out now getting honey, so that's a good time. Check the second frame. Number 3. Still not much, just a few. And again, remember we're trying to find the queen. So these are all worker bees here. And some bees do get squished with the frame, but so they already have some stuff capped. I think she's laying. Already have some capped stuff. Those capped off. Check the other side. Still no sign of the queen, so this is frame number 4. Frame number 5. Okay, yeah, this frame feels a little heavy. And it's all capped off. They have honey in it. And yeah, she's laying. Seeing a little pollen here and there. Still no sign of the queen yet. The queen is always close to whichever frame that has the most bees on it. More than likely the queen is somewhere there. This one is also heavy too. It's fully capped. Both sides. Still no sign of the queen. The queen likes the dark, so whichever frame is in the shade, that's the frame she's gonna be, the side she's gonna be on. And I wanna be careful not to kill any. Okay, on to the next frame. See, not much bees out. The hive's pretty, a lot of the workers are out, so that's good. That's why it's not swarming all around. This frame is heavy too. Has a lot of cap stuff, which means they're doing good. Queen is laying. She's not being rejected. Still no sign of her. There's some larvae. I'm not sure you guys will be able to see it, but they're right in those empty holes. Just gotta show the fam what's up. So I'm still not seeing the queen yet. Hopefully she's on this one. Like I said, she always moved to the dark side, so it's very possible that I probably missed her. Okay. And the queen is very obvious. She's bigger than the workers on the drone. Her abdomen. So she's not on this one. You check that one too. Still not seeing the queen. So we're gonna put this back. Still not seeing her. I guess we missed the queen somehow. But yes, they're busy doing their jobs, which is good. And she's not in the bottom. So check their hive feeder inside. It's empty, so that means they're still using it to feed because there's not much pollens out. Bees are out getting pollen and stuff. I really wish I was able to see the queen, but seems like I'm not gonna see her today. Just making sure everybody is a-okay. Let me just shift view for a little bit. So these are each frame that we use. There's the queen or anything. But she is laying. Oh, they always try to get between. Probably don't want to kill anything. So just be careful when you're doing that. You don't want to accidentally kill the queen. So they're very calm. Okay. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. Hive is doing good. And I just top up their feeder. So they should have a grand old time putting this back on. And that's it.